Now we have for you this Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI SEL 115 PS. Now the car is a wee beauty and it has a really good spec as well, including a driver alert system, an anti-lock braking system, a forward collision warning, a city emergency brake, a light and sight pack, along with these 17-inch Pamplona alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot even comes with a mat and a full-size spare wheel to go along with that. The interior has 2-zone climate control, a colour touchscreen and a multimedia interface. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.